Hello everyone, welcome to Johnny's NetSec YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your CIS CAD Pro version and how to use it to assess your system's security configuration against CIS benchmarks. Previously, I had videos to show you how to use CIS hosted CSAT to assess your security controls implementation and how to use free tool CIS CAT Lite version to assess your system's security configuration. Lite version has lots of limitation, especially for the benchmarks. There are only limited benchmarks you can use. If you happen to have a valid CIS CAT Pro version, or you just wondering how the Pro version looks like and how different it is from the Lite version, this video might give you some ideas. Now, let's start it. I have a basic topology to show you the setup. So I do have domain controller 51sec-test.dev. Also, I have Windows 2016 join the domain, which is going to install CIS CAT Pro on this machine. My firewall segregated the lab network with another network 192.168.2.8. I do have Cisco switch available for assessment as well. So very simple, basic topology. You can search CIS CAT Pro configuration guide, which will get you this really long documentation to read. This video is gonna simplify the process. Even I still strongly suggest to read the whole documentation, but to follow the video steps, you can easily get it up and running and start your assessment. So you have to have CIS Workbench login as a member. Then you can go to Download tab. They will list it all available downloads for you. It's hard to find, but there's a big button on top of your page to show you how to download CIS CAT Pro version. So you need to choose your operating system, Windows 64-bit, and you also need to choose, do you want a GUI or without GUI? Strongly suggest use GUI since that will save you time to get JRE, Java Running Time Environment, installed on your host. After that, just download the selection. You may need a license, download the license. You may need a dashboard later, then download dashboard. So downloading will automatically start it. It's 200 megabytes file. Probably take 1 minute, will be downloaded. At the same time, you also want to download license. You can click download license button from the top right. Then you can just click download to get your license key. From the zip file, you should be able to get the license.xml file, which you're gonna copy into your installation folder's license folder. Now let's start to launch the application and apply the license. I have copied installation file and downloaded license file on the desktop. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna extract them all, including the license file. So we will get an accessor folder, and from this accessor folder we have accessor-GUI. Double click, then you should be able to launch it. So double click, launch the system. Before we apply the license, we will see this is CIS CAT Lite version, so which is not Pro version. So if you want to get a Pro version, just copy the license into the license folder. So this license.xml file, just copy it to this license folder. After you copy it in, launch it again. Now it is CIS CAT Pro version. Now we have our CIS CAT Pro version up and running. Let's start to our first advanced scan. So based on our topology, we have CIS CAT Pro installed on Windows 2016 server. So we are gonna do a quick scan to our domain controller. They are in the same network and they are in the same domain. So it should be easy configuration, easy scan. Gave a name, so it's a DC01. So we're gonna choose target system type. So we have Windows, Linux, local, Cisco, and Palo Alto. So we are using Windows. We're gonna using HTTP. We're gonna use a proper username with proper format. So that is admin1. So we are using full domain format 51sec test.dev. Our password, IP address, temporary path is not necessary, optional, so we leave it empty. Since we are using Pro version, you can see we have tons of benchmark available. So we're gonna choose our proper Windows version and using Windows Server 2022. So we're gonna choose 2022 benchmark. So this is domain controller. So I'm choosing level 1 domain controller. Add it in. So let's have basic configuration settings. Save. Once you did that, you need to test your connections to the target to make sure the test connections can return a successful result. Connection can be established. That usually take less than 1 minute. You should be able to get a result. So we are obtaining session connection. Connection established. Test successful. Next. So now you can see the difference from the Pro version and the Lite version. Pro version you can choose HTML, CSV, text, XML, JSON. But Lite version you only can do HTML. So we're going to choose both CSV and HTML. So we're going to put a report on the list report folder. Next. Yeah, let's start the assessment. So the assessment completed and we got a report. So you can choose the report and view HTML. So the similar report as we got from our light version, it will give you detailed pass, fail, or errors, and it also will give you suggestions on how to fix it, impact assessment, reference, remediation, rationale, description for the findings. Pretty useful. That's all for this video to show you CIS CAD Pro. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found anything useful for you, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel to support me. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.